Are you tired of just creeping everywhere while bulky vacuum cleaners just get in the way? With our 2-in-1 cordless handheld vacuum, one hand is all it takes to make crumbs, sand, or stray hairs disappear. A 120W motor delivers up to 9,500 pascals of suction, and the 4,000 mAh battery keeps you cleaning for about 30 minutes without a cord. From keyboards and curtains to glove compartments, 2 interchangeable nozzles let you vacuum or blow dust from the tightest corners. Own it now and make cleaning just a simple gesture.